Hi friends, welcome to Fields and Trails. Today we are diving into the world of table rose. This vibrant and low maintenance flowering plant is a fantastic addition to any garden or balcony. Stick around as we explore its basic types and share some hands-on caring tips to keep these beauties thriving in your own domestic space. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow green thumbs. Your support means a world to us. Table rose are basically two types, Portulaca and Purslane, and distinguishing between them can be sometimes a bit tricky thing. But the easiest way to differentiate between them is from their leaves. Portulaca typically has cylindrical fleshy leaves that are more needle-like or cylindrical in shape, whereas Purslane are broader paddle-shaped leaves. These babies are sun worshippers, so find them a sunny spot with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. And when it comes to soil, think well draining. They don't like wet feet. Speaking of water, table rose is pretty chill about it. They are succulent plants. Let the soil dry out between the watering sessions. And remember, it's a bit of a drought-tolerant superhero. Overwatering? Not in the plant's playbook. Feed your moss rose with balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season. And to keep those blooms coming, deadhead the spent flowers regularly. Oh, and keep an eye on that unwanted guests like aphids and spider mites. If they crash the party, a little insecticidal soap and neem oil should show them the exit. Short on garden space? No problem. Table rose is a champion in containers. Just make sure the pot has drainage holes and use a well-draining potting mix. Just very simple. Now for those in colder climates, most rose is often grown as an annual. But here's a tip. You can bring them indoors for winters. Just find them a sunny spot, cut back on the watering during the dormant period, and they will thank you with the comeback in the spring. So whether you're using them as a ground cover, adding a pop of color to your hanging baskets, or creating a stunning rock garden, moss rose is a versatile and delightful addition to your green space. So friends, get your hands dirty, enjoy the process, and let the moss rose magic unfold in your home garden. Happy gardening everyone!